My clinic name is Arogyda Homeopathy Frequency and Mind Healing Center. So, next slide. We treat mind, body and spirit. That is a wellness center जहाँ आपको चाहे आपको लाइफ में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो, फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम हो, बच्चों का प्रॉब्लम हो, बड़ों का प्रॉब्लम हो, नींद नहीं आ रही है, उल्टी हो रही है, anything and everything is just one step solution for that. About me, I am the mother of two smarty boys, Nihil and Divit, and a wife of a lovely and supportive husband, Manan Murarka, who is the managing director of Sinter Products Private Limited. This is a 40 years old company manufacturing bushes. हम BMW से लेके mixies, juicers, everywhere we give bushes. And that my father-in-law started 40 years back. So, some of my degrees, these are some of my degrees, but I do a unique range of things जिससे कि मैं mix match करके आपको आपकी life का कोई भी solution दे सकती हूँ. Services we offer, these are some of the services जो मैं एक एक करके आपको बताऊंगी what all we offer. Because it is just an 8-minute slot, इसीलिए मैं rush कर रही हूँ because I offer so many services. So first is I am an okay, first is my homeopathy. Homeopathy, I call it my magic pills. This is my first love, the first thing which I started to believe in myself. Homeopathy was the thing जिसने मुझे बताया कि yes, you can change anything with just 2 magic pills. बहुत लोग बोलते हैं साबुदाने की गोली है, क्या होगा? We've treated thousands of COVID cases, 3 days guaranteed results, and the patient was perfect. Even doctors जो allopaths है, everyone was like Remdesivir do. We told मत लो. And the people who believed in us, 3 doses of Remdesivir, 4th छोड़ा है उन्होंने हमारी medicines ली है, and they were perfectly fine. Even cases of black fungus, जहाँ नागपुर के I have reports of renowned ENT specialists जिन्होंने कहा है सिर्फ ऑपरेशन हो सकता है, उसके अलावा you cannot do anything. You need to remove the complete jaw, teeth, सब कुछ. अगर नहीं किया तो it will go to the eyes, it will spread, it will do everything. The patient is still my friend, doing उनके चाचा है, he is perfectly fine, doing nothing, अपने दांतों से अच्छे से खा रहे हैं without any operation, and we gave results in 7 days. 7 days he believed कि yes, I can continue homeopathy. That was our biggest achievement during COVID. The fear, everything, there's nothing. It's only the mind game. You just need to change your mind to change the entire game. That is what we teach. Homeopathy में we give hair shots. Hair shots are something which is a wonderful thing. We have been giving, हम लोग इतने अच्छे results दे रहे हैं इसके जिससे हमें भी विश्वास नहीं होता है कि okay, really we can do that in us. It is just a small 1-day treatment, 1 month में आप करवाओ, and जहाँ के ये जो बीच के बाल जो aging से अभी आ जाते हैं सबको, we are giving results, छोटे छोटे बाल start हो रहे हैं लोगों के आना, and they are like wow, this has never happened even in any treatment for us. The second